update on the Rod Knock Ranger. Pulled one of the connecting rod caps off. At first, I thought this was a crack in the crank, but it's the bearing. Crack in the crank, but it's the bearing here. The bearings out of that. The one that was actually knocking. And the other one was about to spin as well. You can tell the crank got a little warm, both here and down in here. This is one of the main bearings. You can see the color difference between this journal. You can also see the color difference in the connecting rods. So we'll need a new crank, bearings, rods, head and base gasket, some other stuff, and get that ordered, put back together, and put back in.